Anya, let's get up to speed. Rising repair costs are a big concern for consumers. A recent automotive news article talks about how that fear of costly repairs is affecting dealers. How can their fixed ops departments adapt to maintain profitability and customer trust in today's market conditions?
Thanks, Emma. That's a really timely question. And according to a recent Cox Automotive study, we're seeing a shift in loyalty. Yes, dealerships still remain the top service providers for the consumers, but only about 14% of the service visits now happen at the dealership where the vehicle was purchased originally. So this tells us that consumers are prioritizing convenience, communication, transparency. They're really in the driver's seat now. And fixed ops leaders need to think about engaging customers proactively before they even get into the service lane. And we need to make it easy for them to schedule appointments, communicate with the dealer, and really understand what's wrong with their car.
Yeah, I mean, you talk about being proactive. It's so true, Anya. You want to remove any barriers for the consumer as far as bringing in their vehicle. The easier it is, the more routine it is, the better it is. Let's talk about efficiency. How can dealerships better manage shop capacity and team productivity?
The key is consumer engagement approach. We make it super easy for consumers to schedule appointments, get in touch with the fixed ops department, and ultimately show up for that service. And technology, particularly consumer friendly solutions like what we have at Xtime, plays a big role in making appointment setting convenient for both consumer and the dealer. And really, scheduling solutions should be more than just a website widget. Instead, think of it as a true capacity engine, and that will drive meaningful productivity. So at Xtime, we help our dealers to fully utilize every hour of their operations with our best in class capacity engine. And what we teach them is no appointment is a bad appointment. You want that consumer coming in, whether it's for an oil change or an engine repair, because you are building a loyal customer with every touch point. But there's other advanced efficiency drivers on the horizon. So we all know that consumer expectations, technology, everything is rapidly changing, especially when it comes to AI. And because of that, Cox Auto has been heavily investing in AI. For example, we're seeing great results at Vin Solutions with predictive insights with Gen AI product. And those power users, they see 26% higher lead to appointment conversion ratio when they use the Gen AI capability. And with Xtime, we're focused on applying AI innovations in a way that makes fixed ops departments run even more efficiently. So, service scheduling agent that will help consumers schedule appointments when a live person at the dealership is not available, because dealers don't want to miss out on that appointment. And then technician agent that will help text generate concern cost correction summaries that are impactful and easily understood by the consumers because consumers want that transparency. And remember, AI is only as good as the data that's fed into it. So at Cox, we have the richest data in the industry. Overall, exciting times with AI space right now. And these AI capabilities, they'll be game changers in the way fixed ops departments service their consumers.
Great results and great advice. Anya, I want to thank you for talking to us today on Up to Speed.
Thanks, Emma.